Hello everyone. As there is a lot of disturbance going in the trader and manufacturer market while making a payment to the micro or small enterprises, because as per the recent amendment in the Finance Act 2023, which is applicable from 1st April 2023, which states that by amending the provision under section 43B(h), which states that any payment made to a micro or small enterprises after a specified date shall be allowed in the year in which the payment has been done. So let's go to the basics of the section 43B. Section 43B defines that the following payments has to be allowed on the payment basis of, like for an example, all the taxes payments and all, as we all know that. But there is a condition that in case if the payment has been done before the due date of the filing of the return, that payment still considered in the previous financial year. But this provision 43B(h), which states that even though if you do the payment in the next financial year, but that should not be considered as a part of the previous financial year. Hence means in case if any payment which is due of the March month of any of your micro or small enterprises, if you do the payment after a specified date and that date comes under the April 2023 month, so that payment will be considered under financial year 24-25, not in the financial year 23-24. I will give you this in my sort of example in my video, so that you can check with the tabulation as well which payments fall and how does the expenses can be claimed. So now let's go to the basics of the micro or small enterprises. What is the reason behind inserting this provision? First, the reason behind this inserting of this provision is to safeguard the interest of the micro and small enterprises, to protect their liquidity, and that's it. So in micro or small enterprises, section 2E, which defines the enterprises. So in this definition, only the manufacturer or any industrial undertaking or service provider is covered, while post July 2021 under the official memorandum of the Government of India under MSME Act, inserted a trader should also be a part of it. Kindly note that trader is not excluded from micro or small enterprises. Trader is a part of that definition. First thing, you make it very clear. Now here comes to that, what is the specified date? Under section 15 of the Micro or Small Development Act 2006, which specifies that in case if there is an agreement between the parties, then there will be a specified date. Whatever your you can say that A and B both executed in the contract, then whatever the specified date of the payment will be, you should honor that payment, but that should not exceed 45 days. And in case if there is a no agreement exists between the A and B, then as per the MSME Act, then 15 days will be applicable to honor the payments. Kindly note that. And also now there is a big confusion going on that whether in case if the trader covered under the presumptive taxation, whether still they are have to obey with the provision of the section 43B(h). So here is my opinion on it. Section 43B starts with non-obstante clause, which means it has a far-reaching overriding impact under other sections of the section 44AD and all the presumptive taxation. So also note that presumptive taxation people also comes under the purview of the section 43B(h). So kindly ensure that have you checked your all the micro and small enterprises payments done in order to reconcile with whether this provision has been complied with the section 43B(h) of the Income Tax Act. Kindly make sure that you follow the rules, otherwise the draconian provisions of the other Income Tax Act will be applicable to you. Thank you.